Today we're unboxing the MTS1000 mechanical tripod turnstile, which you'll find to be a perfect solution to help control entry to stadiums and arenas, office buildings, commercial and industrial complexes, plus other places where maintaining a set traffic flow is required. The MTS1000 is enhanced with important features, such as bidirectional operation that allows both entry and exit functions, anti-passback to ensure that individuals follow a swipe in, swipe out, swipe in type sequence, emergency egress to allow free passage during evacuation, and LED indicator lights to provide visual permission and directional clues to users. The MTS 1000 is both durable and aesthetically pleasing due to its stainless steel construction, which allows it to be easily mounted to the floor or a metal base plate with 4 expansion screws. There's an acrylic panel on the top for a nice clean look. The 3-arm assembly is an all-in-one component that's easy to install and secure with just 3 screws. Arm resistance is adjustable. Included with the MTS 1000 is a hex key, Allen screws, washers, and turnstile cover keys, brackets, and expansion screws. Plug the power cord into any outlet, and after some simple programming, the MTS 1000 is ready to use.